Cynthia has sent us an email with an interesting question. She's got her humidity meter running in the basement, and that's good. It's showing 70% Brad Lawler, home team inspection. She thought the proper humidity is somewhere about 40% in the summertime. So her question is, what's going on in the basement? And then the second part of her email is, how do you get rid of the humidity going in there?
Okay, so the relative humidity in your home is going to be based on the outside temperatures, as well as some of the inside temperatures as well. So in the wintertime, you may get relative humidity readings that are as low as 20%, which is why you get static shocks when you walk across the floor in socks. In the summertime, you want to make sure that the relative humidity stays below 60. 60 is kind of the top for what they call comfort level. It's also the point at which above that you can get conditions for fungal growth. Normally, if you've got an 80 degree, 85 degree day, you've got a 50, 60% relative humidity outside, then your inside relative humidity is probably going to be somewhere closer to about 50%. 55 is normally what you'd see in air conditioned space during the summer. Fall, spring, yeah, you may get into the 40 to 50 range, but a lot of it has to do with the comfort. Much of it has to do with your air conditioning setup. Folks that have variable speed motors tend to have humidity readings that are a little bit more stable. If you've got an older single stage blower motor, then you may have more ups and downs in the relative humidity based on the outside temperature. So each system is going to be a little bit different. They're adjusted a little bit differently. The air conditioning systems, the heater systems, will draw in fresh air from outside, what they call the makeup air that goes into it. The fresh air exchange, that's bringing moisture in, and that's why a properly operating air conditioning unit is going to remove the amount of humidity in the air in order to get it back to the level that the HVAC system has been told is comfortable based on those other exterior temperature and what the inside temperature settings are. The colder you get inside, the lower the relative humidity, the higher the temperature, the higher the relative humidity is the general rule of thumb.
All right. Hopefully that helps. And Cynthia's getting to a comfortable basement. Yeah. Get a service person out there to work on that HVAC to start with, it sounds like.